Hello everyone, welcome to Coding App Create. In this video, I will show you how to create a business email on Bluehost. And before that, make sure you have subscribed to Coding App Create. To create a business email, you need to have a hosting and a domain. So I have hosting on Bluehost. If you don't have hosting, you can purchase your hosting from Bluehost, and the link is available in the description. Now I have to log into my account because I already have hosting, and now I've logged to my hosting account. Now I go to email and office. Click on manage on the Bluehost email. If you have any available emails, it will show the number of emails. And if you want to create an email, now new email, click on create. Now choose your domain. I choose my domain, Barkup, and type the username. I want to make this email name as test at barkup.com. And now I want to enter the password. So if you want, you can generate password, strong password, or you can write your own password. Now click on create. Email account is successfully created. Here is my email. If I want to check this email, I click on check email. And there are some webmail clients here, Roundcube and Hard. So you can use Roundcube. I recommend this one. If you want to use your Chrome browser to manage your email, you can use this one. Now the email is successfully logged, and here we can manage it from the Chrome itself, or we can also connect it to our Windows Mail. Here you can see the Mail app. By default, you must have this email app on your Windows. If you don't have, you can download it from Microsoft Store. Now I don't need to do that. It's already installed by Windows. If you don't have any emails added to this app, it will show you to add an account. I want to click on other account, write my email, and now this will be the name when you send email from this account. This will be the password, which I copied that from there, and sign in. And nice, it is successfully added, and let us check it. This email is received, which we had here. This is same. If I want to test it, let me send an email from my smartphone. I sent an email from my smartphone. Now I want to refresh this. Nice, I have received the email successfully to this email, which is test@parkup.com, and it is successfully connected to my Windows Mail app. And that's nice. If this video was useful, make sure you like the video and leave your opinions in the comment section, and also subscribe to Coding Upgrade for more video tutorials like this. See you in the next video.